All right, here we go. Representing decimals. So this is going to be similar to our last lesson. Good practice. It says a bee hummingbird. So that must be a bee that's like a hummingbird. I'm going to have to Google that. Weighs only about 56 thousandths of an ounce. So think about an ounce, how little an ounce is. Split that into 1,000 parts. Take 56 of them only, and that's how much it weighs. That's a teensy, teensy amount. Represent this fraction as a decimal, then write it in word form. Okay, so we would want to shade 56 of these cubes. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That would be our model. And to write it as the thousandths place, I want to say the number and then end on my last place value. So it's going to look like this, 56,000. So I say 56, and then this last place value says thousandths. Remember, this says tenths. This one says hundredths. This one says thousandths. Okay? To write it in word form, it's 56 thousandths. That's how we say it. Let's try the next ones. All right, let's model 35 hundredths. So how many squares will I shade in? 35. So here's 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fraction names it 35 hundredths. So there should be 2 digits to the right of the decimal point. Yep, just like this. 35, what does that place value say? Hundredths. All right, 2 tenths. Shade in 2 tenths would look like this. 58 hundredths, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's our model, 58 hundredths, 95 thousandths. I think thousandths are the trickiest. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So all but 5 on that side. So I wanted to say 95, and I wanted to end on that place value, thousandths. All right, let's look at these. 3 tenths, like this. 3 tenths. This one's going to be 86 hundredths. I'm not going to write out the number as a word, sorry. Hundredths. This one's going to be, oh, can you see that? This one's going to be 99 hundredths. This one's going to be 51 thousandths. This one's going to be 22 thousandths. This one's going to be 1 thousandth. I'm going to change this one. Let's pretend that it actually says 122 thousandths. I don't think it's giving you one like that. If it said that, if it has 3 digits, you would write it like this. So you say 122 thousandths. Okay? All right, I'm going to give you some more practice like these. You're going to do amazing.